Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand's vibrant capital, a city where ancient traditions collide with modern innovation. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in a whirlwind of sights, sounds and smells that are uniquely Bangkok. Whether you're here for the culture, the food or the electrifying energy, Bangkok has something for everyone. So let's dive into the top must-see and must-do experiences that should be on every traveler's list. Our journey begins at the heart of Bangkok's historical legacy, the Grand Palace. This dazzling complex served as the official residence of Thai kings for over 150 years. Within the palace walls lies the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, home to a deeply venerated figure of Buddha carved from jade. The Emerald Buddha, adorned in elaborate robes that change with the seasons, embodies peace and serenity. The Grand Palace is a living testament to Thailand's rich artistic heritage. Observe the delicate craftsmanship of the murals and the intricate details of the gilded chetties. Each element tells a story, a chapter in the epic saga of Thailand's past. Imagine the bustling court, the elephants parading through the grounds, and the king himself, holding court in all his glory. A visit to the Grand Palace is an immersion into the soul of Thai culture, a journey through centuries of history and spirituality. As you leave the palace gates, you carry with you a newfound appreciation for the legacy of this remarkable kingdom. Our next destination takes us to Wat Pho, a temple renowned for its spiritual significance and as the birthplace of traditional Thai massage. Here lies the colossal Reclining Buddha, a golden figure stretched out in serene repose. Measuring 46 meters in length, the Reclining Buddha is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The temple complex is also home to a renowned traditional Thai massage school. Experience this ancient healing art for yourself, as skilled practitioners guide your body and mind into a state of deep relaxation. Wat Pho offers a unique blend of spiritual exploration and physical well-being. Whether you come to marvel at the Reclining Buddha, or to experience the healing touch of Thai massage, you'll leave feeling a sense of peace and tranquility. No exploration of Bangkok would be complete without a journey along the majestic Chao Phraya River. Known as the River of Kings, the Chao Phraya has witnessed centuries of Thai history. As you embark on a traditional longtail boat, feel the gentle breeze and listen to the rhythmic chug of the engine. Observe the graceful spires of ancient temples and traditional wooden houses along the riverbanks. The Chao Phraya teems with activity, a bustling waterway where commerce and culture converge. As the sun sets, the river transforms into a scene of breathtaking beauty, with temples illuminating and the city skyline twinkling. A cruise along the Chao Phraya River is a journey through the heart and soul of Bangkok. Our river journey takes us to the west bank of the Chao Phraya, where Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, awaits. Wat Arun captivates the eye with its towering central prang, adorned with colorful porcelain mosaics. These shimmering fragments form intricate floral patterns and mythical creatures. As you ascend its steep steps, take in the panoramic views of the Chao Phraya River and the city beyond. From the summit, the city of Bangkok spreads out before you like a map. As the sun sets, Wat Arun undergoes a magical transformation, illuminated in a warm golden light. The sight of Wat Arun at night, its silhouette reflected in the waters of the Chao Phraya, is iconic. Wat Arun is a symbol of Bangkok's resilience and beauty. It's a reminder that even in a bustling metropolis, moments of peace and tranquility can be found. Wat Arun is more than just a temple. It's a testament to the enduring beauty of Thai architecture. Prepare yourself for a sensory overload as we delve into the heart of Chatuchak Weekend Market, a sprawling labyrinth of over 15,000 stalls. Here, amidst the clamor of vendors and the tantalizing aromas of street food, you'll discover the true meaning of organized chaos. Chatuchak is a place where you can get happily lost for hours, wandering through a maze of narrow alleyways. From handmade crafts to antiques and vintage clothing, Chatuchak has something for everyone. Bargaining is a way of life here, a playful dance between buyer and seller. The aromas of Thai street food, from spicy papaya salad to fragrant curries, waft through the air. Pull up a plastic stool at one of the countless food stalls and savor the flavors of Thailand. Chatuchak is a microcosm of Thai life, a place where people from all walks of life come together. Embrace the chaos, lose yourself in the moment, and discover the hidden gems that await you. Chatuchak Weekend Market is a sensory overload, a shopper's paradise, and a true reflection of Thai culture. As dusk settles over Bangkok, the energy of the city shifts, and a different kind of adventure awaits on the infamous Khao San Road. Once a haven for budget travelers, Khao San Road has evolved into a vibrant melting pot of backpackers, night owls, and curious tourists. Neon lights illuminate the street, music spills out from bars and clubs, and the air crackles with energy. Vendors line the sidewalks, offering everything from souvenirs to insect snacks and buckets of cocktails. The aroma of street food fills the air, tempting you to indulge in a late-night feast. Khao San Road is crowded, chaotic, and loud, but also exhilarating and unforgettable. Strike up a conversation with a fellow traveler, share stories over a sing of beer, and lose yourself in the rhythm of the night. Khao San Road is a place where strangers become friends, where cultures collide, and where anything seems possible. Whether you come for the people watching, the nightlife, or the sheer sensory overload, Khao San Road is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Bangkok. Prepare yourself for a sensory journey as we venture into the heart of Bangkok's Chinatown, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells. Here, amidst the narrow alleyways and bustling markets, you'll discover a community steeped in tradition. Bangkok's Chinatown is one of the oldest and largest Chinatowns in the world. The heart of Chinatown is Yaowarat Road, a street that pulsates with life, day and night. The aroma of street food is intoxicating, drawing you in with its promise of culinary delights. From steaming bowls of noodles to crispy duck, Chinatown offers a feast for the senses. As you explore Chinatown, venture beyond the main thoroughfares to discover hidden temples and traditional tea houses. Bangkok's Chinatown is a place where tradition and modernity collide, offering a glimpse into the soul of a city. It's a reminder that even in a bustling metropolis, pockets of cultural heritage thrive. As the sun begins its descent, we ascend above the bustling streets of Bangkok to experience the city from a different perspective, a rooftop bar. Bangkok's skyline is a dazzling display of architectural marvels, ancient temples, and the meandering Chao Phraya River. One of Bangkok's most iconic rooftop bars is the Sky Bar at Lebu Estate Tower. Perched on the 63rd floor, the Sky Bar offers unparalleled panoramic views of the city. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city undergoes a magical transformation. The atmosphere at a rooftop bar is electric, a blend of sophistication and excitement. A visit to a rooftop bar is an essential Bangkok experience, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of the city streets. It's a place to celebrate life, to connect with friends, and to appreciate the beauty of Bangkok from a whole new angle. As our exploration of Bangkok continues, we find ourselves drawn to the banks of the Chao Phraya River to experience the vibrant atmosphere of Asiatique the riverfront. This open-air night market and entertainment complex offers a unique blend of shopping, dining, and entertainment. Asiatique occupies a historic site, once a bustling international trade port. Today it has been transformed into a vibrant destination that pays homage to its heritage while embracing modern entertainment. Stroll along the riverfront promenade where shops, boutiques, and stalls offer a dazzling array of goods. Enjoy a diverse range of dining options from casual street food stalls to upscale restaurants. Asiatique. The riverfront is a destination that caters to all tastes, offering something for everyone. Our journey through Bangkok wouldn't be complete without delving into the heart of Thai culture, its cuisine. Join us as we embark on a culinary adventure, participating in a Thai cooking class. Under the guidance of experienced chefs, we'll learn about the unique properties of Thai ingredients. We'll master the art of creating a perfect pad Thai and a fiery som tum. And of course, no Thai cooking class would be complete without tackling the iconic Tom Yum Goong. The beauty of a Thai cooking class lies not only in the knowledge gained, but also in the shared experience. At the end of our culinary adventure, we'll sit down together to savor the fruits of our labor. From ancient temples to bustling markets, vibrant street food to stunning river views, Bangkok is a city of contrasts. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or the adventure, Bangkok is a city you'll never forget. So, until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and most importantly, keep traveling. What city should we explore next? Leave a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides and tips.